Today's thought: words are powerful. Think before you speak. Today we are going to see grammar articles. What are articles? A, an, and the are called articles. Articles is divided into two types: indefinite article and definite article. A and an is indefinite article. The is a definite article. We have to use a for a noun standing with consonant sound. We have to use an for standing with vowel sound. We have to use the for specific nouns or singular or plural. An we have to use an for standing with vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And we have to use an the sounds like a, e, u, a, I, o. We have to use a for noun standing with consonant sound. What are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have to use a for standing with consonant sound. For example, dash apple, apple. Here the word starts with a, apple. So we have to use an. An apple. Orange, orange. An orange. Okay, orange. It's vowel sound. Next, elephant, elephant. An elephant. University, university. See, university, U. We have to use an only for these letter sounds. Okay, here it's U, so we have to use here a university, a university. Next word, honorable, 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 an honorable. Okay, and next, 1 rupee coin. It's a O, it's a vowel letter, but see, 1 rupee coin, 1, ba. So we have to use here a 1 rupee coin, a 1 rupee coin. Output, output, out. So output. So we have to use an output. Girl, girl. Here no vowel sound, so we have to use a girl. Next, computer, computer, a computer. Dash wonderful artist, wonderful, wonderful artist, a wonderful artist. See, wonder, ba. So we have to use a wonderful artist. Next, the. We have to use the in front of universal objects, general things and special things. For example, earth. Earth is a universal object. Earth, sun is universal object. Okay. Dash earth is revolving around the sun. Here we have to use the earth. Next, Bhagavad Gita. What? This is general things. Okay. The Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, and the Quran, or holy books. This is common for all. This is general things. So we have to use the. Okay. Next, dash Ramayana and dash Mahabharata are two epics. Ramayana and Mahabharata also common for people. So we have to use the here. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are two epics. Next, we have to use the in front of the name of the ocean, seas and great rivers, deserts, directions. Okay, for example, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Red Sea, and the Ganges. Ocean. Okay, ocean. So we have to use the. This is sea, and this is river. This is desert, Sahara Desert, the Sahara Desert, and this is a direction, the east, and we have to use the for superlative degree. For example, he is the tallest boy. He is the tallest boy. Okay, he is the tallest boy. Second one, she is the most beautiful girl. She is the most beautiful girl. Next example, gold is one of the costliest metal in the world. Gold is one of the costliest metal in the world. This is articles. It's very simple. Now let's move on to the prepositional phrase. What is prepositional phrase? Prepositional phrase are formed by a two words or a three word combination such as according to, along with, at the time of, because of, owing to, instead of, etc. These kind of prepositionals are used frequently in our day-to-day life. There are three types of prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase of time, prepositional phrase of place, prepositional phrase of direction. And these are the keywords for prepositional phrase of time: on, in, at, since, for, during, by, from, to, until, till, before, after, up to. And keywords for place: in, at, on, off, under, over, below, above, up, down, by, beside, near. Keywords for prepositional phrase of direction: towards, away, up, down, out of, into, onto, off, under, over, around, through, across, along. For example, the book is dash the table. This is prepositional phrase of place. The book is dash the table. The book is on the table. Second example, it is very hot in summer. It's mentioning the season. So we have to use in. It is very hot in summer. Next, India got independence dash 1974. This is also mentioning the year. It is a prepositional phrase of time. Okay, so India got independence in 1947. Next one, students play dash the interval. It's mentioning the duration. Okay, students play dash the interval, during. Students play during the interval. Next, I will call you dash 10 minutes. This also prepositional phrase of time. Okay, I will call you after 10 minutes. I will call you after 10 minutes. Next, prepositional phrase of place. See the example, she lives dash Tamil Nadu. It's mentioning the area of place. She lives in Tamil Nadu. Okay, she lives in Tamil Nadu. Next one, cat is sitting dash the wall. It's mentioning the position. Cat is sitting on the wall. Next, my home is dash first cross street. It's mentioning the location. My house is at first cross street. My house is at first cross street. Next one, car is parked dash the gate. Car is parked in front of the gate. Next one, dam is constructed dash the river. Dam is constructed across the river. Next, preposition of direction. For example, the man is going dash the stairs. The man is going down the stairs. Okay. Next example, the boy is climbing dash the mountain. The boy is climbing up the mountain. Next, the ball went dash the table. The ball went under the table. Next one, the dog is running dash me. The dog is running towards. The dog is running towards me. Next, the thief ran dash from the place. The thief ran away the place. The thief ran away the place. This is the preposition given in your textbook. Okay. According to, along with, because of, owing to, instead of, in the event of. Meaning for according to, as stated by, or on the authority of. Along with meaning together with, because of, and account of, on account of, owing to, because of, instead of, in place of, or substitute for. In the event of means in case of. See the example, according to the weatherman, we can expect more cold weather this week. According to the weatherman, we can expect more cold weather this week. Meaning in Tamil, weatherman என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காரு, இந்த வீக் நம்ம என்னது cold weather எதிர்பார்க்கலாம். We can expect more cold weather this week. Cold weather இந்த வீக் நம்ம வந்து வர நிறைய இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்கிறா, வெதர்மேன் சொல்கிறாரு. அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது according to. Next example for along with. We have to give importance to physical education along with all the academic subject. Along with means together with. Okay. We have to give more importance to physical education along with all the academic subject. நம்ம படிக்கிற எல்லா சப்ஜெக்டோட ஃபிசிக்கல் எஜுகேஷனுக்கும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். இதோட சேர்த்து along with academic subject, we have to give more importance to physical education also. Okay. Next example, because of, meaning for because of, on account of. For example, we stayed at home because of the bad weather. Because of means இதன் காரணமாக சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. We stayed at home because of the bad weather. Meaning in Tamil, மோசமான வெதர் காரணமாக நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிறது நல்லது. ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள், owing to. Meaning of owing to, because of. I can't accept your invitation owing to a previous engagement. Meaning in Tamil, முந்தைய ப்ரீவியஸ் என்கேஜ்மெண்ட், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரீவியஸ் என்கேஜ்மெண்ட், முந்தைய நிச்சயதார்த்தம் காரணமாக என்னால் உங்களுடைய இன்விடேஷனை அக்செப்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப். இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப்: ஐ விஷ் ஐ வேர் கோயிங் டு தி பார்ட்டி இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப் மை பிரதர். மீனிங் இன் தமிழ், இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப் மீன்ஸ் அதற்கு பதிலாக இது, அதுதான் மீனிங். ஓகே, ஐ விஷ் ஐ வேர் கோயிங் டு தி பார்ட்டி இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப் மை பிரதர். என்னுடைய பிரதருக்கு பதிலாக நான் பார்ட்டிக்கு போகணும் அப்படின்னு நான் விரும்புகிறேன். பதிலாக, என்னுடைய பிரதருக்கு பதிலாக, அதுக்கு பதிலாக, அதுதான் மீனிங் ஃபார் இன்ஸ்டீட் ஆஃப். நெக்ஸ்ட், இன் தி ஈவெண்ட் ஆஃப். இன் தி ஈவெண்ட் ஆஃப், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், the match will be stopped in the event of heavy rain. The match will be stopped in the event of heavy rain. Heavy rain காரணமாக மேட்ச் வந்து நிறுத்தப்பட்டிருக்கு, அதுதான் மீனிங். ஓகே, some more prepositions and meanings are there. Due to. Due to means as a substitute for. As a substitute for. Except for. Except for, in the interest of, with the reference of, with reference to, with a reference to, irrespective of, in spite of, added to, in addition to, meaning because of, in place of, meaning referring to, regardless of, meaning with the exception of, for the sake of, meaning disregarding the difficulty.